Okay, the game I'm doing is called Badminton Foursquare. This will really be like a good first day game to play with your second graders, first or second graders, to help them really learn the skill and how to hold a paddle or hold a racket and how to correctly hit in badminton. Here are the standards. Striking an object using correct hand placement and proper body orientation. Recognize and adjust exertion of force on an object required by an activity. Actively engage in physical education activity class in response to instruction and practice. Practice skills with minimal teacher prompting and accept responsibility for behavior and performance. And then identify physical activities that build confidence and activities that are challenging. For game management, so it's going to be set up like Foursquare. How you have four squares, and then obviously this would be the king square, so they'd start off or serve in the point, and they can serve to any of the boxes, and the goal is to stay playing in the square or advance to a better square. So your ultimate goal is always to be here in the king square. Every time a player stays in a square or advances to a higher square, they can get a pool noodle slice. This will assess how consistent they are with the skill. To start off with, we will use balloons. This will help with control, form, and accuracy. Some modifications you can do: you can use balloons, and then you can progress to a yarn ball, and then our ultimate goal, of course, is going to be a birdie. But we want that to be like last day. We want that to be like the last day of the unit. We're coming back and we're going to see how well we're picking up on this skill. Start off by just striking with a hand with the balloon, and then work your way up to badminton rackets. It's kind of hard for especially younger kids to grasp, how to hold a racket. So using their hand might make them understand a little bit more.